Hey traders, are you wondering which broker rules, Forex.com or OANDA? Today, we're breaking it down by fees, platforms, and which type of trader each one suits best. By the end, you'll know which broker deserves the crown. Let's dive in. First, a bit of context. Forex.com, founded in 1999 and a part of StoneX, offers over 80 Forex pairs, CFDs, and even crypto trading. It's CFTC regulated with a near perfect score of 99 out of 99. OANDA, on the other hand, has been around since 1996. It supports 64 Forex pairs and CFDs, requires no minimum deposit, and holds a strong CFTC rating of 93 out of 99. Both are trustworthy, but they cater to slightly different traders. Key differences. Let's talk specifics. Forex.com shines for advanced traders. It has over 5,500 trading symbols, offers raw accounts with 0.0 PAP EUR / USD spreads, plus a $7 commission, and standard accounts with spreads as low as 0.6 pips on EUR / USD. Platforms include MT4, MT5, and even TradingView integration. The downside, it has fewer market types and a $10 inactivity fee. OANDA is beginner-friendly with no deposit requirement, intuitive mobile apps, and a platform that's easy to navigate. It's perfect if you're just starting out or prefer a simple, straightforward trading experience. Recommendation. So, who wins? If you're a high-volume pro chasing tight spreads and advanced tools, Forex.com is your best bet. If you're new to trading or want a user-friendly mobile experience, OANDA is ideal. Both brokers offer demo accounts. Forex.com gives you a $50,000 or 30-day demo to test the waters. That's it for our Forex.com versus OANDA showdown. Which broker fits your trading style? Comment below, smash that like button if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest broker reviews. Happy trading!